It's one of the best times of the year. Why? It's nearly Easter time, which means, for me, eating lots of chocolate. Like I need an excuse anyway. I mean, I eat lots of chocolate every day. But Easter egg chocolate, there's something special about it. No, I don't care how old I am or my kids. Everyone loves an Easter egg hunt. I'm going to be showing you how you can make some simple Easter egg hunt signs using pallet wood and Frenchic paint. First step was to mark and cut the pallet wood. I made mine more into a sign with just a simple arrow. Once I have all my cuts, it's now time to sand. I went in with 120 grit sandpaper and they came out lovely and smooth. The next step is to add some finishing coat or some Tuff Topcoat to the pallet wood. Most pallet wood is untreated, so this is a vital step. It also prevents the paint from seeping into the wood, which means more coats. Now I'm using all the colours that I have got that I think are Eastery. Some of the colours I'm using are limited editions and you can no longer get, but there is plenty of choice online. All the paint I'm using is from the Alfresco range. This is perfect for the outside and means you can keep your signs out for the whole of the Easter holidays. For extra protection, you can add some Tuff Topcoat or some finishing coat to this. Now let's eat chocolate.